First thing you're going to want to do is you actually need to get the parkmobile app. Once you've gotten the app, it doesn't cost any money. You can basically sign up, create an account just on this page like so. I'm going to continue with Google. Once you've set up your account and added your vehicle, we can X out for the free trial, and you can basically allow it to have your location where you can actually view where we actually are, where our current parking zones are, and you can pay for parking. You can see there's a few lots nearby, and currently I'm in this one, so I'm going to click on it, click on park here, select your time, and it'll basically calculate the cost for how much it actually costs to park here. And you can see it'll automatically calculate the max time and give you all the rules and regulations for the current parking lot. If it is free at the current time, it will basically, when you click on it, just allow you to do it without paying. And when you're parking your vehicle, there's no reason to use one of these or one of the other boxes when paying. You can do this all through the app. This is how you can use it. It's basically an interactive map, and you can zoom in on the parking lot that you're currently located at because as your live location. Click on it, click on park here, add the totals, and you're good to go. If you want to edit or modify your vehicles, click on the three lines top right, click on vehicles, and you can see like this, we can add more vehicles or subtract them like so. Or you can click on payment if you want to add payment methods just on this app. One more thing is in the three lines again, you can actually get a subscription if you're parking in these locations a lot, and basically save a lot on parking if you get this free trial, or pay about $5 per month just the Parko mobile app.